Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to add an address in the H&M app. Firstly, open the H&M mobile app or open hm.com in your web browser. Right after that, you will be asked to select your country name from this page. Choose your country from this page. Make sure you're logged in with your account. If you're not, click on Sign In from the top right corner of the screen. Here, add your email address and password to sign in. Or if you don't have an account, click on Become a Member. Firstly, add your email address to create your account. After that, create a strong password. Right below it, select your date of birth. Continue by agreeing with the given terms and conditions. Once you're done, click on the Become a Member button. Once your account is created, continue having a purchase on H&M. Select the product that you want to buy and click to open its details. After that, click on the Add to Bag button. Select the variation of your product to continue. After that, click on the shopping bag given on your top right corner. Redeem your voucher if you have any to enjoy a discount on your product. After that, click on Continue to checkout. Here, add this information and click on the Save button to continue. Right below it, set your billing address. Just specify your region, city, along with the complete address. You can also set the address from its homepage. Click on My Account from the top right corner. Here, click on Account Settings. On scrolling down, you will see the option of Address Book. Click on Edit right next to it. Then, click on Add a new address. Now, add your detailed address and hit the Save button to save it. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.